Hello, welcome to my channel, LoganSec. It's going to be all about bug bounty, pen testing, cybersecurity in general, and ethical hacking kind of things. I just wanted to make this video to kind of like an introduction to me, you could say. I've been doing this for about 6 months now, and I'm really starting to enjoy it, the field, and I believe there are lots of opportunities just to grow and obviously financial opportunities as well. But this is just a fun career that I can really see myself doing for maybe even the rest of my life. So I wanted to just share this experience with you guys as well, document my journey and my growth, because I'm not very good right now. I'll admit I'm a lot better than someone who doesn't know what they're doing. But if we're really talking about down to like technique and skills, I have a long way to go. And therefore, welcome to my bug bounty journey. I'm gonna keep it real, raw, no edits, no cuts. I just want you guys to see the work behind the scenes, not just the people who say, "Oh, I made $10,000. This is what I did. I found a vulnerability that dot 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 company," and you just stay consistent, you'll succeed as well. So far, I've had success in the sense I found bugs in companies, but all of them have been marked informative or duplicates, meaning I haven't made a single dollar. And oftentimes, this is what it really looks like in the beginning. You do a lot of work, not really seeing any outcomes, but you know you're delaying gratification for the future. We're going to start seeing the results you want. So, all right, documenting my path to pen testing, bug bounty. So, why I'm starting, I want to share my bug bounty journey in real time, document every success, failure, and lesson, and build a track record to land a pen testing job. So, there's a lot to unpack here. Why did I start bug bounty hunting in the first place? Let me give a little bit of background. So I was a video editor because I want to make money online. Leave it at that. And it was hard. It was a lot of work, and I was doing it for a channel that covers like hacking stuff. I was like, "Oh, this is really cool." So I ended up saying, "Sorry, I won't be able to do this," and I literally started learning the skill. I was like, "Whoa, you can monetize this. That's pretty awesome." So I started actually going in like doing port swigger labs and learn the OWASP top 10, IDOR, SQL injection, XSS. And I learned this is quite the profitable career. And there's a lot to be done here. So I want to document everything because you can go on Twitter, YouTube, people talking about their wins, this first bug, $25,000 off Netflix. But the reality, that's not what's happening for most people, especially for me now. So I want to document everything, success and failures. So not only will I learn, you guys can learn as well. You too can get better off my mistakes. And yes, I do want a pen testing job. Just, I think it's kind of like the ultimate you did it, you know, when you can say, "This is what I've done. I've hacked this company, this company, this company, and I know I'm going to be a valuable asset for you. So hire me." I'm not going the university route. I don't think in 2025 coming up in 2026 it's going to be necessary to have a degree. People care more about what you can do rather than what you learned in theory. So my plan is build a stack of undeniable proof that I am who I say I am. So no one can deny me what I will prove I am worth. All right. So what is bug bounty and why it matters? Platforms for ethical hackers to report vulnerabilities. Tech giants offer big rewards for security, earn cash, recognition, and more. Benefits, financial gains, hands on experience, reputation building. So basically, platforms like HackerOne, BugCrowd, Integrity, Yes We Hack, basically they're like the middleman. So let's say middleman here. This side you have the hackers. This side you have the businesses, and we meet here in the middle, and we get connected through platforms like HackerOne. So hackers can legally look for vulnerabilities on these companies and report them through HackerOne or whatever platform you pick. And if it's accepted, like, "Oh yeah, this is a real security issue," they will pay you money for finding the vulnerability for them. This is good for not only hackers, ethical hackers, but also companies because they can improve their security without having to get like private pen tests, which can be pretty expensive sometimes. And you want to do it too because you don't need a job, you don't need like, I don't know, a whole bunch of certifications or whatever. You can literally just go on your computer, make a HackerOne account right now, and start hunting. So, yeah, that's why these platforms are really incredible. Also, for learning how to hack. There's so much you need to learn, so many different vulnerabilities, techniques, the skills. Well, not skills, but what you need today is not what you're going to need like a year from now. So you always have to keep learning and evolving along the way. And obviously, you have the cash benefits as well. There are people who make like $10,000 a month, but bug bounty is not the most consistent income. But if you're good, obviously you're still gonna make a lot of money. So obviously you do have financial gains, which, let's be real, we all kind of do care about quite a bit, I'd say. So who is this channel for? I'm making this channel for people like me exploring bug bounty. Also, beginners wanting to learn, ethical hackers, and curious minds, and anyone interested in cybersecurity, because I'm interested in cybersecurity, especially web application hacking as of the moment, because that's where I'm putting all of my time in, all my resources. I want to learn as much as possible about this specific field so I can go deep, dive in, and really start getting lots of bugs and just really being a benefit to companies. Like, you see me as someone like, wow, if I have him, my security is going to be on a whole nother level. That's what I want someone to see when they want to hire LoganSec, or LoganSec is going to do some bug bounty. I'm going to find something and I will help the company become better. So these are my goals and promises. Well, no, promises. Let's just say goals. Okay. Build a bug bounty track record, land a pen testing job around the end of 2026, and continue learning and sharing. So this is kind of like, not sure if it's like a promise, but it's what I'm doing, at least as of the moment. No edits or cuts, keeping it raw. I want you guys to see the unfiltered. This is what it's like in the trenches, I guess. I don't know. Or I guess before you become a successful bug hunter. Real mistakes and successes, yeah. Authentic behind the scenes, basically what we're doing right here. And transparent progress. I don't want you guys to think one day I just woke up and bang, 50 grand, 50 grand, 50 grand, making it big, 50 grand in 2 days or whatever. Because no, it's not like that. I've put in hundreds and hundreds of hours, which to some people is a lot, to others going to say, wow, that's nothing. But I haven't made a single dollar yet. But I believe in the future, results are coming. I just need to be patient. That's what I'm saying with the transparent progress. So what you can expect: live recon sessions, bug bounty hunting attempts, rock commentary and analysis, Q&A, and community engagement. I want this to be a community where we can all come together and learn and bounce ideas off each other. So if you're interested in that, subscribe, follow, like, do all that stuff. Support me so I can help chase this career and path that I'm doing, because I really think it's incredible and there's lots to unpack here and learn. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you. This is the end of my introduction video, and I'll be posting quite consistently and keep you guys updated with what I learned and where I'm at. Peace.